For all the input fields, you are allowed some basic customizations. But if you want to bring further changes, there's always the Advanced Options panel. Click on it and you'll get more options to work with. All of the general input fields contain more or less the same number of advanced options. You can get some values by default along with the user-submitted data. Simply set a default value. Take help from the drop-down menu. Define the container class and element class. Compose your help message to make your forms friendlier for your users. Set the name attribute. Deploy conditional logics if necessary. To know more about conditional logic, go to the link in the description box. You can also enable calculations in the case of numeric fields from here. Just define your calculation expression in the tab. You can take help from the drop-down menu. Find more about field value calculations in the demo. You'll find the link in the description. And you are good to go. Have you tried some of these options? Tell us in the comments below, and don't forget to like our video. Hit the subscribe button so you stay updated.